guys, welcome back to EMS Empower Melbourne Shuffle. My name is gribbz. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please do so and hit the bell, okay? This is the demo for hat tricks. Just gonna get into the flow here, okay? Alright guys, so as you can see, dropped my hat a few times or more, and that's going to happen. You know, I'm not the absolute master, but I'm going to leave everything raw so you guys see that, you know, yeah, I make mistakes too, and you're going to as well, but more practice makes perfect, and, you know, keep practicing. You know, there's a lot of different tricks you can do with hats, and you know, if you practice each one, like I always say, 100 times, then you dial it in and you add it to your flow. So I did 2 songs here, as you can see, and I think the one probably the most difficult for me was throwing it up and then catching it like that. But I realized, okay, while doing it, okay, like, why am I going too slow? Okay, so I had to speed up faster to meet the hat as it came back down. And then you notice I dropped my hat once and I used my foot to pick it up. And that's another move right there, you know? And then I switched it to the other hand, grabbed it, put it back on my head, okay? So don't just stop the dance, or don't give up. Like, see if you can, you know, scoop your hat up, throw it up, catch it, put it back on, okay? You know, like I said, I'm not the best, and you know, I'm not gonna try and do a perfect run and just try and catch it with every single thing that I can, you know, do or think of, okay? Like I said, I'm still learning too, but I think everything I showed you guys here today will be pretty helpful. And you know, just get into the flow and just play with your hat. Just do whatever you can think of with it, you know? I did the foot flick, or like the foot, you know, where you hook it like that. Caught it. There's another move. This just reminded me. A couple of shufflers in the community I've seen do this. They'll take their hat off, they'll bring it down, they'll spin it, and they'll catch it. Usually they'll catch it by the bill, like that. Put it back on, maybe they'll do a turn or a spin. Okay, so that's another thing you could practice doing. It's a real type of showy flair type of move or trick, so you could do that. You guys saw me where I went like this, or I went like that, and then as I was coming back, I brushed the hat off, and then I dropped it. But that is an adaptation of the one that I usually do, where I'm standing here and I'll go like this, kind of like a bow and arrow, and I'll like grab back. As I pull back, I'll like tip the hat off, catch it, put it back on my head, okay? So the adaptation of that one that I made is going like here, let's see, here, out, and then as you come back, you can tip it back, catch it, or you can go like this, here, and just kind of play with it, you know? Like sometimes people will take it off like this, and then they'll put it back on like that. So just a couple extra things, you know. Still working on this new one where you take it off your elbow, but hey, you know, I'm here to share, help you guys learn. Take what I have given you today and make it your own, and add to it. And yeah, guys. Again, thanks for stopping by, watching the demo for hat tricks. Hope to give you some ideas. If you're not subscribed already to the channel, please do so and hit the bell. That way you'll be updated every time I upload some new content for you guys, okay? Alright, keep shuffling. Talk to you guys later. Peace.